Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to search the database with constraints in a bubble. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a repeating group container. So I'll create one right here. And the type of content, I will come here and choose user as the data type. And for data source, I'll click on this and let's go ahead and do a search for, and the type, I'll choose user. So I want to get all the users for now. I'll close this and let's go ahead and get some text visual elements to display the users. So I'll go ahead and create one here and it's repeated as you can see. And now let's insert dynamic data. So I'll choose that and we'll go ahead and insert the current sales user and we'll enter their name. So the data field will be the name, the current cell user's name. Let's go ahead and run this and see if we get all the names in our database. There we go. We get all the names in our database. And now what we'll do, we'll add a constraint. So we'll come back here. We'll click on the repeating group. And here under data source, I'll click there, add a new constraint, click here. And what I'll do name, click again, contains, let's do the letter A. We'll do the letter A. There you go. We'll close this and let's go ahead and run it again. We'll preview it and now we should get less results. So only these names have A in it, as you can see. And that is how to search the database with constraints in Bubble.